Okay, good afternoon. I promised you that I would post something to help you get started with the homework, and this will be it. So, what I have pulled up is what your column chart should look like. The first week's assignment is on page 27 for chapter 1, and you're doing question 3, question 4, not B, which means you don't have to do the charts for B, but you do have to do some of the work for B, and number 5. So let's take a look at number 3. This is the data for the state unemployment rate. So this is what the file is. That's what you're working up. On your file, you're just going to have these numbers, and they'll scroll all the way down. So all you have to do on this one is to create a chart, a column chart for the Excel sheet that compares the gene rates to the historical highs and lows. So you just need this basic chart right here. You're going to create a little column chart. I'm showing you this for the first time so that you know how to set it up. It's fine with me, as I put in the instructions, that you just do the chart right next to the data so I can see it. You don't have to create a separate tab for it or anything like that. Your chart is going to look something like this for question 3. Moving on to question 4, it's going to be a little bit more complicated for you to do question 4. So question 4 gives you a chart that has, you put the data in, that has number of households and then these categories. And so I think I actually gave you the file for that, so you'll have this. The first thing you want to do is create a column chart just that shows the data. So that's a simple column chart. It's going to look just like this. It shows, you should make sure that you have, the titles at the bottom and a little key over here. But this is basically what your chart will look like for number 3. So that's all you have to do for that one. For number 4, you're going to use the U.S. Census to show the ages. So that's the same thing. You want to construct a column chart that represents the data, which you can do. And then a pie chart that shows the proportion of households in each category. So for that one, you're going to have to look at the different categories, and so you do have to do that. So let's look at this stuff right here. What are the categories going to be that you can make comparisons of? Well, we have total households here, and then we have family households here. So the first one will be a pie chart that shows total households versus family households. That's going to look like this. Then you have households with children under 18. So we're going to look at householders, these are sorted out of order. So this is what the pie chart will actually look like. So here's the number of households, householders living alone, over 65 and under 65. So where is that? Living alone, 65 or older. So the difference in this is under 65. So you're going to have one chart that shows we'll have one pie chart, householders living alone, under 65 or over 65. The next pie chart that you'll have to do is married couple with children under 18, married couple with no children under 18. So that's the category. Maybe not up. So married couple family, that's the total. This is with kids under 18. So that's another pie chart. This chart is married couple, children under 18, no children. shows female, no husband present, children under 18, female, no husband present, no children under 18. So there's a pie chart. And then you have the last one to do, which is family household with children under 18 household with no children under 18. So those are the examples of the pie charts. You can ignore these column charts for now, because they're part of what they're actually what you have to look at with the pie charts, but you don't have to do the charts if you go right into the pie chart. What you will have to do is, to make your charting easier, is to take this and then break it out into subcategories. So we have family households here, and then non-family households here, and then total households here. So if you break that data down here, it's easier for you to create the chart. Same thing with here. Householders living in and under 65, living under 65. So if you break them out into mini charts underneath the data, then it's easy to create a pie chart. Householders living alone, and then here is total household. Total married couple, children under 18. So that's what you're going to create for number or question 4. Let me take a look at that for you for question 5. So question 5 uses the energy spreadsheet, and you're going to construct an area chart that shows the fossil fuel production as a proportion of total energy production. This is what your chart will look like. That's the area chart. And the things that you're looking at are fossil fuel production, and total energy production. And this is totals. Then construct line charts for each of the variables. The line charts will look like this: fossil fuel production, total energy production, petroleum, total energy imports, coal imports, total, all the way down to total energy consumption. So it's all of this. Now, it will be necessary for you to pull some of this data out and move it over here and make it easier to make the chart. But this is pretty much what your charts will look like, and that's what I'm going to look for, just your charts, and you can know it alongside the data. So hopefully that helped you with this. There's a video on charting that you can watch if you need a refresher. The prerequisite for this class is to know Excel, so I'm not going to go through a tutorial of that, but I did post something in case you need a refresher or some practice. So hopefully that helps. Thanks. Have a good day.